Hello viewers, welcome to Shobha's Math Corner. Today we are going to see NCERT Class 7th Chapter 2 Fractions and Decimals. Okay, what is mean by fraction? The number which can be written in the form of P by Q. They are all called fractions, but one condition is there. Q should not be 0, that is denominator should not be 0. Okay, then how many types of fractions are there? Proper, improper, mixed. What is proper fraction? If the numerator is less than the denominator, it is called a proper fraction. Example 2 by 5. 2 is less than 5. Right, so numerator is less. In 3 by 6, numerator is 3 and denominator is 6. Numerator is less than the denominator. So they are all called proper fractions. A fraction which in the numerator is less than the denominator. Okay. And what about improper fraction? In improper fraction, just the reverse of this. Numerator will be a greater number. So compare these two, 5 by 2. Here 5 is greater than denominator 2. So if the numerator is greater, it is improper. If the numerator is lesser than the denominator, that is proper. And what about mixed fraction? It is a combination of a whole number with a proper fraction. Let us see here 1 3 by 4. So 1 is a whole number. 3 by 4 is a proper fraction. So if the numbers are coming like a whole number with a proper fraction, they are all called mixed fractions. Now let us come to the exam exercise problems. Exercise 2.1, page number 31. First one, 2 minus 3 by 5. How to do this? Very simple. Multiply the sides. So 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 7 by 5. And second problem, 4 plus 7 by 8. How to do? Just cross multiply this. 8 into 4. You want to multiply the side and add or subtract the numerator. Here it is subtraction, so I am subtracting. But in second problem, it is addition. So what I have to do? Multiply this sides. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7, 39. Okay. Now they are given two different denominators. This is unlike fraction. Like fraction means the denominator has to come same. But if the denominators are different, it is called unlike fraction. Now how to do the unlike fraction addition? We have to take LCM. Okay. Simply you do one thing. 5 is a prime number and 7 is a prime number. Multiply these two. 7 5s are 35. Write in the denominator 35. Then you do cross multiplication. 7 into 3, 21. Plus 5 into 2, 10. Just you multiply cross like this. 3 7s are 21. 5 2s are 10. Then denominator you multiply these two. 5 7s are 35. So what answer will be getting? We will be getting as 31 by 35. Okay. Now come to the fourth problem. Here also it's same like 11 and 15. So how to find? Multiply 11 into 15. Write as the denominator. Then you cross multiply 9 into 15 minus 4 into 11 you do. What you will be getting? 135 minus 44 divided by 11 into 15 is 165. Just to subtract and write the answer. Okay. And when you are seeing the fifth problem, denominators, three fractions they are given. 10, 7 by 10, 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. So how to find this? How to add the numbers? Just to take LCM 2, 5, 10. First we will take second table. 1 2s are 2. 5 will not go in second, so we are writing 5. And 10, it will go by 5 times. Again take fifth table. 1, 1, 1. So what is our LCM? Our LCM is 2 into 5, 10. Already here 7 by 10 is there. So you don't do this term anything. But here the denominator is 5. Convert into 10. So this 5 how to convert into 10? Can we multiply into 2? So multiply the numerator also. So 2 into 2, 4. So only for second term it will be multiplied with 4. Okay. Because denominator we are multiplying into 2, no. So 5 into 2 is 10. With the same 2, if you are multiplying the numerator, what you will be getting? We will be getting 4 by 10. So we are writing 4 plus 2. How to change 2 into 10? 2 into 5. So 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is how much? 15. Then add the numerators together. So 7 plus 4 plus 15 divided by LCM is 10. We will be getting 26 by 10. When you are dividing this, again we can cut by second table. 13 by 5. Okay. Next, mixed fraction, how to add. First, mixed fraction change into improper. How to convert into improper? Multiply the side. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So, multiply the side and add the numerator. So, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So, it is 8 by 3. Plus this also. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So, 7 by 2. Now, see the denominators 3 and 2. Both are prime number. So, how to find? Just cross multiply. 8 into 2, 16. Plus 7 into 3, 21. Divided by 3 into 7. 3 into 2. Sorry, 3 into 2. It is 6. Okay, multiply this. 8 into 2, 16 plus 7 into 3, 21. Divided by 3 into 2, 6. So when you are adding the numerator, what you will be getting? 37 by 6. Again, if you divide 37 by 6, we will be getting 6 1 by 6. Okay. Then seventh problem. Same way, mixed fraction change into improper. So 8 into 2, 16 plus 1, 7. So 7 by 2. 8 is a 16 now. 16 plus 1, 17. So it is 17 by 2. Minus of 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. Now see 2 and 8. LCM is 8. So for getting this 2 as 8, what you have to do? Multiply into 4. So multiply the numerator also into 4. So 17 into 4, when you are multiplying, you will be getting 68. Minus, already here denominator is 8. So we don't want to do anything. So we will write minus 29 as it is. So 68 minus 29. When you are subtracting these two, you will be getting 39 divided by 8. So 39 divided by 8, when you are doing, what you will be getting? 4 7 by 8. Okay. In same way only we will be doing the second Roman number also. In second Roman number they given arrange the following in descending order. So 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. So it is unlike fraction because denominators are different. So what we are doing? Take the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. When you are taking LCM of all this, you will be getting 63. Then convert the fractions. Write all the fractions. 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 29. Write everything. Change the denominator into LCM. So 9 I want to change into 63. So 9 into how much is 63? Into 7. So I am multiplying numerator also with 7. So 2 7s are 14. So first fraction I will be getting as 14 by 63. Then 2 by 3. Second fraction I am taking. I want to change the denominator into 63. So which number I should multiply? 3 into 21. When I am multiplying with the 21 only, I will be getting 63. So multiply with the numerator also into 21. So 21 into 2, I will be getting as 42. And third term, 8 by 21. 21 into 3 only 63. So numerator also into 3, I will be getting 24. Now everything is changed into like. Now it is very simple for me. See the numerators which is smaller. 14 is smaller, 24 is smaller than 42. 14, 24, 42. They are asking descending. Descending means highest to lowest. So which is highest? 42. Next highest is 24. So 42 by 63 is greater than 24 by 63 is greater than 14 by 63. So 42 means what fraction? 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is greater than 8 by 21. It is greater than 2 by 9. Okay. Got it? Can we go with the next problem, second one? Here 5, 7, 10. LCM is 70. So 1 by 5 I am writing. 5 I am changing into 70. So 5 into how much? I will be getting 70 into 14. Numerator also multiply into 14. So my answer I will be getting as 14 by 70. And second one 3 by 7. Denominator is 7. I want to change into 70. So can I multiply with the 10? So 7 into 10 only I'll be getting 70. So when I'm multiplying the denominator with 10, with the same numerator also I should multiply with the same number. So 3 into 10 I'll be getting as 30 by 70. Next, third one is 7 by 10. Denominator is 10. I want to change the denominator 10 as 70. So can I multiply with 7? When I'm multiplying the denominator with 7, numerator also I should multiply with 7. So 7 sevens are 49. So when I'm arranging in, now you see everything I'm getting at the denominator 70. Now it is easy. Like fraction I'm getting. Now it's easy for me to see which is greater. So 49 by 70 is greater, then 30 is greater, last only 14. So 49 by 70 means which fraction? 7 by 10 is greater than 3 by 7, which is greater than 1 by 5. Okay. Thank you for watching, children. Please like, share and subscribe. In next video we can see exercise 2.2.